Pinagkabilidyon pa ako.
Subtopic 1. Applying the
Binigyan mo
visibility
pa sa ako eh. Gumunod tuloy ako.
number is
Baka
divisible
madulas.
by 2, 5, and 10 by observing the number's last digit.
Nakulit eh. Bandit mo yun eh. Hindi ko alam yung
We
date.
have 4 packs of candies. The first pack contains 10 candies. The second pack contains 15 candies. The third pack contains 12 candies. And the last pack contains 20 candies. They are going to be divided equally among the 5 jars, or if there will be an excess.
Water please. Water. Please na.
Now, let us increase our number of
Sabi mo,
jars to
mamainom
10.
ako tubig.
Again, let us try to divide the number
Hindi ko
of
alam kung ano
candies
pa yung mga
from
nandito
each
sa
pack
baba.
and see if it will be divided equally among the 10 jars or if there will be an excess.
Bawal daw, kumuha ka ng
We can
mag-isip
generate the following summary.
Hindi mo kasi dapat kasi sinabi pangalan ko. Ba't mo kasi sinabi pangalan ko, di ba? Nako.
By observing the last digits of the numbers that can be
Hindi na
divided
babalik si
2,
Tatam.
5,
Sarado
and
ko na to.
10, we can generate the following divisibility rules. Divisibility of 2. A number is divisible
Hindi
by
video
2
pang
if it is
kapatid
even,
ko.
or if the last
Ano
digit
po sa akin,
ends
di ba
with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. In the activity, since the last digit of 10 is 0, then it is divisible by 2. We can notice that the last digit of 15 is 5, which is not an even number. Therefore, 15
Habang
is not
tayo ay
divisible
nasigilan.
by 2. Since 10, 12, and 20 can be divided by 2, then 2 is a common factor of 10, 12, and 20. Examples: 540, 862, 1,534,
Pinayagan ka pa?
5,468. Divisibility of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of the number is 5 or 0. In the activity, since the last digit of 15 is 5, then it is divisible by 5. We can see that 12 is not divisible by 5 since its last digit is neither 5 nor 0.
Ang tagal, inumulit ko kasi ako.
Since
As example na ako. Example ba? Yun, lumagpas na ako.
examples, 607 by 5